Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a brand new home that's just getting wrapped up this week. It's a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, has a 62-foot RV garage that is right on the golf course. So we're going to go check it out, hang out with us, check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. So this house is right off of Jamaica, right below Shimawavy. It is a dead-end cul-de-sac. It's a great street. This house backs right to the golf course. A couple of my favorite houses are actually on the street. So it should be right up here, right after the turn. And there it is right there on the left. Looks like they're pretty much done. They're wrapping it up this week. So let's head on in and check it out. All right, guys, so we're out here at 630 Via del Lago. This backs right to the golf course. It's in, obviously, the residential estates area, so it has the underground utilities and natural gas. This is a great cul-de-sac location. They're finishing this one up this week. All really nice residential estates homes all around. Let's go and check it out. So this has the good garage roof where it's actually pitched and not flat with the parapet roof, and those tend to leak and pool water. So it looks like there's a couple vacant lots next door. They brought this one right to the property line, so there's not going to be any side parking, probably. Got your hookups for the future mini split units right here. So you already got your boxes and your conduit run, and there's 2 of them. So it does have a nice little courtyard. It's got the big tall doors. All right, guys, this is a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 1,906 square feet. They're just now wrapping it up. Real nice, open living, split floor plan, tall ceilings. It's got all the LED can lights. Real nice granite slab. They did the trowel down walls. Looks like it's all pre-wired for sound. It's got the glass backsplash. Pantry. So you have the master at the back of the house with a slider out to what's going to probably be the pool area for somebody. You got your master bath, nice granite slab, dual vanities, all the same cabinets. Those are all soft touch cabinets in the kitchen as well. So you got your toilet area and your walk-in shower, all tile. Nice walk-in closet. Has a skylight in here as well. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your guest bath on the other side of the house. All same granite, same self-closing cabinets. Real nice setup. So you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. It's a pretty good size. It's got ceiling fans, tall ceilings. Big, thick sills, so it's super insulated. And then you have bedroom number 3 also at the front of the house. Same kind of setup with the ceiling fan. Big sills. Sliding closet doors with the tall doors instead of the standard doors. You have killer views of the golf course too, out all the windows and living room. So you have the indoor laundry. All right, so you got this big garage set up. It's got a 25-foot and a 32-foot bay with this 2-car garage with a 3rd bath, and then you have this 62-foot RV garage with a 14-foot door and then a drive-through roll-up in the back with the Power Master, or I'm sorry, Lift Master garage door opener. All epoxy floors. It's pretty wide. It's not quite double wide, but it's very wide. You got full hookups, including 50 amp and a dump. Fully insulated doors. It's a little windy outside today. Got your soft water loop, hot water heater. A nice little 3rd bath out here in the garage. All right, guys, so it's a little, getting a little monsoony out, so if my mic goes from the wind, I apologize in advance. So this has got the real nice patio, all pre-wired for sound. It's got plenty of room for a big pool area. Of course, it needs a wall. You have killer Pano Lake golf course views. This is kind of about what it really looks like with the eye, so you can see Cupcake Mountain and just panoramic views for sure. There's people playing golf today. It's actually not a bad day, except for the wind. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Via del Lago. There is a correction I wanted to make. It is not on natural gas, which is kind of an oddity because it is in the residential estates, and most residential estates zoning does have natural gas. But anyways, just want to clarify that. If you guys have any questions at all about this house, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. Always feel free to call me anytime. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the listing detail and as well as pertinent price and availability and all that. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.